respected teachers and my dear friend. Today I want to share a story about someone who has been a guiding light in my life, my teachers, my heroes. I have had many teachers in my life, and each of them has taught me something special. Some taught me how to solve maths problems, while others helped me understand history and science. But the most important lesson they gave me were not found in textbooks. They were lessons about life, kindness, and perseverance. One of my favorite teachers was Mrs. Lee, my English teacher. She always had a warm smile and encouraged me to read and write. When I was too shy to share my thoughts, she told me, "Your words matter, don't be afraid to use them." Thanks to her, I started writing stories and discovered my love for books. Then there was Mr. Dan, my math teacher. I used to struggle with numbers and felt like I would never get better. But Mr. Dan never got angry when I made mistakes. Instead, he said, "Mistakes are proof that you're learning." With his passion and support, I slowly became more confident in math. I also remember Miss Sarah, my science teacher. She made learning fun by showing us experiments and asking us to think like scientists. She once said, "Curiosity is the key to discovery." Because of her, I started asking more questions and seeing the world in a new way. Not all lessons were easy though. When I failed a test, Mr. Daniel, my history teacher, reminded me that failure is not the end. He said, "Every great person has faced failure. What matters is what you do next." His words helped me work harder and never give up. Each of my teachers played a part in shaping who I am today. They were more than just educators. They were mentors, motivators, and role models. They taught me not only school subjects, but also confidence, patience, and resilience. Now, whenever I think of my teachers, I feel grateful. They didn't just teach me lessons from books. They taught me lessons for life. And for that, I will always be thankful. Thank you, Pei, for your time.